Miniature car unboxing videos are getting seriously popular on social media right now. You've probably seen those tiny cars being taken out of their packaging, handled like real products, and presented in incredible detail. And the crazy part is you don't need a camera or a real miniature setup to make them. You can create the entire thing with AI. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it for free. But before we jump into the process, I have something exciting to share with you. I recently started a channel by uploading AI shorts, and that channel has already reached 1,000 subscribers. And now I'm planning to give that channel away to one lucky subscriber in an upcoming video. So make sure you stay until the very end because I'll show you exactly how you can participate and get a chance to win this 1,000 subscriber AI shorts channel. All right, let's jump right into the process. First, we need to choose a car. Open ChatGPT and ask it for a list of famous car models from well-known automotive brands. You can include brands like BMW, Mercedes, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, and many more. ChatGPT will quickly generate a list of different cars for you to choose from. Now, go through the list and pick a car that would look interesting as a miniature unboxing product. Once you've found your favorite, keep the name ready. Next, head to the description below and open the master prompt I've prepared for you. Copy the entire prompt from beginning to end and make sure you don't leave anything out. Now, open Google Flow and switch to the video generation option. Select Omni Flash as your video model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Then, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the car name you selected. Find the vehicle section inside the prompt and replace the placeholder with your chosen car. Once everything is set, hit generate. Within a short time, Google Flow will create your miniature car unboxing video, complete with the tiny product and its packaging. And now let's take a look at the final result. Pretty impressive, right? The best part is you can repeat this exact process with almost any car you want. Just choose another model, replace the vehicle name, and generate a completely new miniature unboxing video. So that's the entire process. Now let's talk about how you can enter the giveaway. If you want a chance to win my 1,000 subscriber AI Shorts channel, it's really simple. First, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Then comment NetPro below this video. That's it. Just subscribe and comment NetPro to enter. I'll select one eligible subscriber as the winner and give them the 1,000 subscriber channel. So make sure you don't miss your chance. And if you want to learn more AI workflows like this, especially how to create realistic car modification videos using simple prompts, check out the next video on the screen. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.